present simple in the negative form. In any tense in the English, whenever we want to change a sentence from affirmative to a negative, we use the word not. Let's take the first example. I am a teacher. So in this case, we have a verb to be here. So we simply add not after the verb to be. So I am a teacher becomes I am not a teacher. The second case, where we don't have a verb to be, I play football. We have an action verb, but we don't have a verb to be to put not after it. So we will ask for help from a helping verb, the verb to do. We will put a verb to do and not after the verb. But what is verb to do? A verb to do is a helping verb that is used when we don't have a verb to be on the sentence and we want to change the sentence into a negative or a question. With I, they, we, and you, we put do. With he, she, or it, we will add es and we have does. As we've mentioned before, verbs that ends with o take es, so do, does. Since the subject here is I, we will use do. So I play football becomes I do not play football. Let's take another example with different subject. He plays football. The same process. He plays football becomes he does not plays football. But since does here took es, plays loses the s and gets back to the base form. So it becomes he does not play football.